Good morning everybody, so Fiona Ladies Walker here, and I wasn't planning on vlogging today because it's going to be such a warm day. I am going sorry, I've lost my voice. I am going to get something off my to-do list that has been on it for absolutely weeks, actually probably a couple of months, but because it's not been as warm, I've not got around to doing it. I am going to take off the sofa cushion covers and get them on for washing because they are grubby as anything. As much as I try to keep on top of it, it just gets dirty. So as you can see, really badly needing this wash. That's hot chocolate from maybe about half an hour ago. We were running at the door, so I could not get it. These aren't as bad, but I'm still going to pop them in because there's obviously still like wee bits and bobs, and since it's such a nice day, I'm going to take advantage of the nice warm, slightly windy day. Okay, so we got started with just getting the sofa all stripped down, and we'll get this on for a wash and then hang it outside. And as you'll see in just 2 minutes, when I'm popping everything on for a wash, I actually put some Astonish disinfecting in the washing as well, just because I wanted to get rid of any bacteria or nasty smells as well. Okay, so I have put a throw on this one. That's the main one that we use, so I've put a throw on that one just now, just to protect the actual cushions. I will need to get a blanket for this one, and later I shall get the stain remover, tackle these. I mean, I'd already scrubbed this, but I don't know what it is. This lot on for washing, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4 covers and 4 cushions. And just so that you get an idea of the kind of day that we're having, glorious! Okay, so once I actually popped everything outside, and who doesn't love a freshly washed and dried laundry that's been hung outside? I don't know if it's just me, but some pleasures. Anyway, so once I hung everything outside, I then folded all the washing that was actually inside. It was just stuff that was left over from the day before that wasn't quite dry from outside, and then I got started on cleaning and disinfecting the pram. Believe it or not, this was only 1 week's worth of dirt and crumbs. I don't know how she manages to get it so dirty, but she does, she somehow manages it. Okay, so on to another area that was truly badly needing it, which was right behind the fridge. And I am appalled at how dirty it was behind there. You'll just see it in a minute. I have got a lot of embarrassing moments coming up, so if you like to see dirty things getting cleaned up, this is the video for you. Okay, so I swept underneath it and also got the bits and bobs that were somehow managed to randomly get behind there, and I've also bleached it as well. I had done this maybe about a month ago, but somehow just things get gathered underneath there. I don't know if it's just us, but please leave a message in the comments below what happens under your fridges. And there will be a vlog coming out very soon of what's behind our washing machine. It's not been moved in the time that we have been here, so I don't know how long it's been untouched, but we have been in this house for 2.5 years. I have never moved it, as I just said, and I don't know how often it got moved from the previous owners, but I highly doubt it's been moved maybe in about 4 years. So an up and coming, disgusting, embarrassing, cringy vlog is coming your way of behind the washing machine. Now time to get on with the high chair. To be honest, I hadn't touched underneath this high chair in far too long, as you can see with the dirt and just the general kind of food that's just been caught underneath. I am really quite embarrassed about this, so please no judgment, but I just kind of do a general clean every single day with disinfectant. But yeah, this was badly needing it. This unfortunately This seat cover does not unfortunately come right off, so that's why it's in this kind of state. It's done 2 children, it's almost 6 years old, so I think it's not too bad considering. As you can see, I'm actually cleaning out the canister for our hoover. I just decided to give that a quick clean as well with the disinfectant. Because we use it most days, I just thought it was time. I've also taken the filter out, and as you can see, just hair, dust, general kind of grime. Just giving that a wee rinse out. Then at the end, I give it a wee spray with Zoflora solution and leave it to dry. Okay, time to get cleaning and scrubbing this stained and grubby pouffe. And also I decided to get the arms of the chairs of the sofa done as well, just to spruce it up a wee bit. Okay, so all the washing is nice and dry and it's been brought back in. Now time to get all the covers back on the sofas. Okay, so now that the sofa have got all their covers back on, I just take a wee minute just to admire my handiwork. It's not really, it's just washing machines, but it's nice to see them all fresh and the living room smelled lovely as well. I then go on to putting the filter back into the hoover as well, because that was nice and dry as well. you haven't already, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe, that would be amazing, and I shall see you next time. Stay safe guys, bye!